over. Nice play, Stefan. Bollinger to Tinties over here near side. In the middle, blocks. Diving dig. This play by the Mustangs keep that ball alive. Big swing by Morse. Block kept alive. Mustangs. Buboltz. She's blocked. And they can't. That's going to be about 5 hits now. There's the 4 hits call. Side out, it's 13. Morse serves for the Warriors. Set middle. Johnson gets it. Set. Match point right now. Serving. Buffalo catcher Stewart. Johnson. Set outside. Swing hits the nets. Peterson, Tinties, Buboltz.